You ever come up with one of them ideas where you're just like, why have I not thought of this before? Or possibly anybody else? Well, I think this is it. This is one of those ideas of the decade for using borescopes for unique application. But check this out. What a neat way to use this tool. Hey friend, smash that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Also, we have hundreds of videos and playlists on here for you. And then we started adding timestamps, so a lot of the videos you can jump around and get right to the information you want. And then we even started adding captions so you can pick your language. Enjoy the video. I'm going to show you another amazing use of the Borescope. I'm going to go in through the air box and take a look at the air filter. I'm on a maintenance here, and it is a ton of work on some of these bikes, like this DL1000, to get to the air filter. BMWs, there's a lot of models out there. It can be quite labor intensive. And then most dealers don't stock every air filter for every model, especially do it yourselfer. So the last thing I want to do is have this mint condition gas tank and bodywork laying on the ground somewhere and waiting for that part to come in. I'd rather go in here, diagnose it, and go, hey, do I need it or not? I mean, if I go in there, it's spotless clean. I'm not taking any of this stuff apart. I mean, why would I, right? But if I go in there and realize, hey, I need it, then I can choose to say, okay, put this on pause, get the part in, and then come back to it, right? So let's see on the Borescope what that looks like. Gonna be pretty amazing. So let's go here, maximum brightness, orientation, and then I got a flashlight on here, so I should be able to see what's going on. Oh, I want to make sure I'm recording. Okay, I am recording. Okay, recording. Let's hop up in here. Find that intake. There it is. I'm going to steer it a little bit. I think I'm in. And there it is. And that air filter is a lot worse on one side. Let's find it here. Let's try to get in there a little bit further. Okay. Pretty dusty. It could definitely use cleaned in there, and yeah, that air filter is not looking good, so it needs a new one. Looks like the filter on that side is doing its job and stopping a lot, so we'll go ahead and get one ordered. Video has been saved. Yeah, hey my friends, if you like that tip, make sure and like, share, and subscribe. Make it a great day, and as always, keep wrenching.